In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create one-to-one email templates within your Activecampaign Deals CRM. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to efficiently compose and send emails to your contacts directly through Activecampaign. So let's dive in. First things first, we'll head over to the Activecampaign website. It's often bookmarked for frequent users, but if it isn't already, you might want to consider doing so. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button. It's typically positioned in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Give that a click. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your account name. Make sure you have this handy, type it into the designated field, double check for any typos to ensure you have the right credentials. After you've confirmed everything looks good, go ahead and click login. Now that you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself in your Activecampaign dashboard. The next step is to head over to the contacts section. You can find this tab in the main navigation menu at the top. Click on it and it will bring up a list of all your current contacts. Take a moment here to browse through your contacts and decide who you want to send a personalized email to. Once you've located the contact you wish to reach out to, select their name. This action will bring up that specific contact's details and history with your business. Now focus on the email section of your selected contact. You'll notice their email address is highlighted as a clickable link. Go ahead and click it. This will open a new email composition window, ready for you to start crafting your message. In this next phase, let's begin by typing a subject for your email. Remember, the subject line is the first impression your message makes, so make it engaging but concise. After inputting an appropriate subject, you can now move on to crafting your email's body. This is where personalization plays a key role. Make the content of your email relevant and valuable to the recipient. Once you're satisfied with the content of your email, it's time to send it. You'll see a send button prominently displayed once you finish typing your message. A helpful tip is to double check your message for any potential errors or areas for improvement before clicking send. It's always a good idea to preview your email if that option is available, ensuring all looks perfect before it reaches your contact's inbox. And there you have it, you've just successfully created and sent a one-to-one email using your Activecampaign Deals CRM. This effective communication tool can significantly enhance your marketing efforts by providing a personalized touch to each interaction. Remember, consistency and personalization are key to nurturing strong relationships with your audience. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to explore more tutorials on mastering your marketing automations.